ki khubor ka Batesi TV
ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang Rupa Premium Meghalaya
Net Foodish Ordar mapi Minwan Ramangi Hakerdob Ying Jongpi
Nongtalang Government Secondary School Nongtalang haka khalai trik unopra arajar phosau klapin kutno ya ke Jingrakhe lekmen Golden Jubilee haka balasa khilang ru menteri ka sarkar jilla bakmi ekatnat puli puthi urakam e sangma ublong ku kongsan UMLA ka amnaram constituency balakmen rumbui ka joint director of school education and literacy but in charge DSEO West Jante Hills District ka kong APCM USDO jang ka amnaram civil subdivision u Dr Abhishek Saini ki officer ni kitrat rekam sarkar repair ki rang ba ka than ki no hikai ki khna school barim ki make pa lor ki we Hagar kesni lapun ko buramru iki nyongut ki dikhot barem jang school managing committee bade ki langut ki nahi kai barem langut ki so ningkong jang school ki bla Pynhap ya ki examine matric ki bekin thom ulit pura montaryang uchaina bare bat bayaisha lapasam nang tadi lapun ko bru iki langut ki klor jang school ki bla wanra nam bat buram haga jinya khon ya ki exam matric hagisnam la let no ki bekin thop yu klor ling do bla wan hakadan 7 position haga thop top 10 HSLC House nam ka nice park nai phunyo ka buiriti poch nam ka blawan hakadan 19 position hakathop top 20 SSLC house nam aja khatnyo baru arkiman mano brayo highest mark haka subject agriculture SSLC arajar phosau
securing the highest marks in the state of Meghalaya in
I want to congratulate the Nongtalang Government Secondary School for having this wonderful infrastructure. Of course, many things to be done more. But today, I'm happy to see that this infrastructure is good enough to cater the present challenge of the students. Therefore, my young students, it's my request to all of you, please Please continue to make sign these schools in the days to come. In the past, we have seen the result. We have seen many students has secured the top position in the 10th of in the secondary and has maybe in secondary schools examination. And it's my challenge to young friends today. It will be your turn from today that what history you want to make for the community, for the state, and for the country. My friends, we come to the earth with a purpose. And we come on the earth to live forever. Many past leaders of this constituency, of this village, many pioneers of the schools has left already, passed away already. Though we're not able to see them today, but it always used to say that no one lives forever, but the idea, the dreams will always live forever. Artificial intelligence is going to be one of the challenges for all of us. Today, what my point is, to all my teachers across the state, to my young dynamic students across the state, if you remain idle, if you don't learn the curriculum, if you don't learn the education as it requires and demand for today, you will be substituted by the technology and artificial intelligence. There's always debate across the world about the artificial intelligence and the natural intelligence. Somebody talking about that in next few years, the artificial intelligence, the robotic science will take over the human level. This is the crisis going to be faced by the people. But the scientists used to say that, and we academicians used to say that artificial intelligence, the robotic science should not replace or substitute the human intelligence or natural intelligence. Therefore, the teachers of today must prepare our young children so that our natural intelligence are higher than the artificial intelligence, And the artificial intelligence, the artificial science must substantiate rather than substitute to the students of today. Therefore, it's my appeal to young children and also the young faculty members of the state that we must teach our students as per the requirement of today's curriculum and today's challenge.
Education is a very, very important. Education is life. And life itself is an education. Every step, everything we do is itself an education for us. We learn many things to our journey from our birth till today and till our last day. But sometimes we never realize it. We thought that education is only acquiring knowledge in the school. My dear friends, students, the world is so beautiful, and you are a beautiful people in this world. Make use your life beautifully. Make use your life purposely. Be the human being who will serve this world purposely. As I said, every step in our life, in our education. Education nowadays, it is very challenging. It is very challenging. Gone are the days when we always have to remember what they are teaching in school. Remember them by heart and reproduce them during the days of exam. Education is very competitive. Education is very vibrant now. That's why the very important thing for you is not only to acquire knowledge in the classroom. Try to acquire knowledge through the society, through experience in your life. Life has given us so much experience. Sometimes we feel disheartened. Sometimes we feel discouraged. Sometimes we feel that we lost hope. But no. That is only a step in our moving in the right direction. That is only a step that we are moving in the right direction. Remember, we are giving ample opportunity, ample talent, ample things which we could overcome challenges. The only thing is that whether you are accept the challenge or whether you are able to learn so that you could overcome. It is not very easy to overcome the challenge ourselves or by ourselves. It is through learning process. And then that learning process is not only in classroom, it is on our day-to-day life. We have seen another world in us, that is the virtual world, where through technology we can do many things, where through technology we could experience many things, where through technology it has helped us to equip ourselves to face the world. Whoever thought that whatever happened in Nongtalang today will seen all over the world in a split second. This is the world the additional world which we are exploring. Now with artificial intelligence, yes, in every creative thing, there is a challenge. Now, I have seen the student, instead of using more creativity, they become lazy because everything become they come to them by themselves. Just struggle, they will get everything. They didn't use their brain so much, but use your brain, use the gift of God, so that it will empower you. Kajing start kaba play, kajing start ka technology ka bang yo, ngidey pagkam, yaka kumabang kan harness, yaka jing tip ka jami, kenang bangin long, kita kena samla, kibadam kecil kerana. Dem tak tahu, ngakan tu ye pi, ki kena school, ki kena samla, wan long guru jing kerana. But kajing pagkam, yakin artificial intelligence, kadang juga om, bahkan take over yak everyday life. Hai, kalau sedang share, hendak he master. Artificial is artificial. You are real. Remember, you are a real person, not artificial. Your intelligence is real, not artificial intelligence. Use your real intelligence. With artificial intelligence you get through technology to enhance, to harness, to equip yourself so that you can challenge this world. My dear friend, my dear youth, we are very lucky in the state of Meghalaya. For the last 7 years, we have our Honorable Chief Minister who responds to the need of the youth, who responds to the need of the community, who responds to the need of each and every people, class of the people in the state. He responds. I'm very lucky to have him guide me. People may say what they say, but he is the most, so to say, the person who really listens to people.
Nongtalang Government Secondary School, Nongtalang Government school. Sun post them, golden Jubilee celebration. Sun post them, golden Jubilee celebration. Whoa, oh, oh, whoa, oh, oh. Sha la 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 la. Whoa, oh, oh, whoa, oh, oh. Sha la 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 la. Whoa, oh, oh, whoa, oh, oh. Sha la 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 la. 1, 2, 3, ทำเสียงเรา Sha la 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 la. Whoa, oh, oh, whoa, oh, oh. Sha la 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 la. Dziękuję jak the teachers Malashakri. Keep us and present. Jak the school managing committee. The student keep parent. The school Malashakri. Kaaya Jingstan Magodon. Don't lupa dalam officer, engineer, doktor. Tunang Kiw Syafra Nang Yashakri yang kadang kakan Nang dikin yaibi Ilang helohan Irway Laksi Nongtalang Government Secondary School Nongtalang Government Secondary School Sun Postman, golden Jubilee celebration. Sun Postman, golden Jubilee celebration. Whoa, oh, oh, whoa, oh, oh. Sha la 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 la. Whoa, oh, oh, whoa, oh, oh. Sha la 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 la. Whoa, oh, oh, whoa, oh, oh. Sha la 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 la. 1, 2, 3, ทำที่เราเรา Woo!